This is the complex given. IR is iridium. Two ligands are there, ethylene diamine and amine. Both are neutral ligands only. Ethylene diamine is a bidentate ligand and ammonia is a monodentate ligand. So its coordination number is 6. Why? Because each ammonia donates one electron pair and one ethylene diamine ligand donates 2 electron pairs. Therefore, the number of electron pairs accepted by iridium in the formation of complex is 6. So therefore its coordination number is 6. And see the counter ion, 3 Cl minus ions are present outside the coordination sphere. So 3 Cl minus ions. So therefore complex ion carry 3 plus. So therefore oxidation state of iridium is Roman number 3 plus 3. Now its name. First cation is complex, therefore write the ligands, and more than one type of ligands are there, therefore follow the alphabetical order. So it is diamine, bis 1, 2 diamino ethane, iridium, Roman number 3 because its oxidation state is 3, and chloride. So this is the IUPAC name of the complex. Next, CO, Cl, NH3 taken 4 times, NO2, ClO4. So this is the complex given. ClO4 perchlorate ion. It is radical of HClO4. HClO4 perchloric acid. So therefore ClO4 minus ion is perchlorate ion. So therefore complex carry +1 charge. So this is cation complex. Cobalt oxidation state is, let us suppose that X, plus 4 ammonia ligands are there. They are neutral ligands, and NO2, it is ambidentate ligand. Nitrite ion, NO2 minus ion, ambidentate ligand. So it is not written as ONO, it is written as NO2. So therefore nitrogen is a donor. So it is -1 is equal to +1. So therefore X equal to 4 minus 1 plus 3, right? 4 0. So -1 and +1. So therefore it is 2, right? So I forgot to write chlorine oxidation state. So therefore cobalt X plus 1 into minus 1 plus 4 into 0 plus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1. So therefore, what is the value of x? It is minus 2, therefore it is plus 3. Right? Now, see, first name of the cation, chlorine C, amine A, nit N. So therefore, first amine comes, tetramine, next chlorido, next nitrito N, because it is ambident ligand, you have to show which atom acts as donor. N, it is cation complex, there is no change in the name of the metal. Cobalt, and Roman number 3, it is oxidation state, and name of the anion, perchlorate. Ag, NH3 taken twice, Cl. So already we know silver oxidation state is +1. So it is diamine, silver, Roman number 1, chloride. CO, Br, Cl, En, O, NO twice. So it is a neutral complex because CO, some oxidation state is given. It is ion only, but I think this is plus. Br minus, Cl minus, NO2 minus, ONO2 minus, nitrito. So Br, Cl, En, ONO2, ONO taken twice, 2 minus. So this is minus ion. Now see its name, bromo B, chloro C, ethylene diamine E, nitrito N. So arrange them in the order of alphabetical order. So this is -1. So let us calculate the oxidation state of cobalt. X plus bromine carry -1 plus 1 into -1 chlorine carry -1 and plus 1 into ethylene diamine neutral ligand, and 2 ligands are there with -1 charge. It is equal to -1. So therefore cobalt oxidation state is +3. Clear? Now write down the name, bromido, chlorido, 1, 2 diamino ethane. Nitrito O, because oxygen is the donor. Cobalt. Roman number 3, its oxidation state, and it is not a neutral one, it is not a salt, so therefore it is ion. So the name must end with ion. CO, Cl, En twice, ONO. So this is a ligand, ONO. It is already known, ambident ligand, oxygen is the donor. So -1, -1. See here, this is a cation. Now write down the name. What is the oxidation state of cobalt? X plus 1 into -1 plus 2 into 0, ethylene diamine neutral ligand, and 1 nitrito ligand is there carrying -1 charge. It is equal to +1. So therefore X equal to +3. Now chloro C, ethylene diamine E, nitrito N. Write down in the alphabetical order. Chlorido bis 1, 2 diamino ethane 1, 2 diaminoethane and nitrito O. Oxygen is the donor. Cobalt, it is cation. There is no change in the name of the metal. And Roman number 3, because its oxidation state is +3, ion. CO, NH2 taken twice, CO, NH2 taken twice, NH3 taken 4 times, O, C2H5. This is given, right? So one counter ion is there, C2H5O minus. C2H5O minus already you know, C2H5OH. This is ethyl alcohol, C2H5O minus. It is ethoxide ion. So counter ion is ethoxide ion. So therefore coordination complex carry +1 charge. Now what is the name of the NH2 group? NH2 minus. This already you know, this is amide ion. In coordination chemistry it is called amido. and amidoamine, which comes first? Now first point of difference they are saying, second point of difference they are saying, but in third point of difference amido will come first. So therefore write down, it is diamido tetramine. Diamido tetramine cobalt. What is the oxidation state of cobalt here? See, X plus 2 into minus 1 plus 4 into 0. Ethoxide ion 1 into minus 1 is equal to 0. So X equal to minus 2 minus 1. So therefore plus 3. So therefore write down Roman number 3 ethoxide, name of the anion. Next compound CO N3 NH3 taken 4 times. NH3 taken 4 times. So I think this is 5. Next SO4. So here cobalt coordination number 6. Accepted one electron pair from azide ion, N3 minus ion. Here N3 minus ion is there. This is azide ion. And now SO4 is carrying 2 minus, and therefore complex should carry plus 2. So cobalt oxidation state is plus 3. Now amine comes first, azide last. So therefore its name pentamine. Pentamine azido cobalt Roman number 3 sulfate. So this is IUPAC name of this complex. Now see, COEN taken 3 times, 2 and SO4 taken 3 times. SO4 taken 3 times. Now remember, in inorganic chemistry, simple salt, for example, we have Al2SO4 thrice. Why is the formula of aluminum sulfate Al2SO4 thrice? Because aluminum is trivalent, Al3 plus. And SO4 2 minus. Al3 plus, SO4 2 minus. while writing the formula, the charges must be the number of units of positive charge, the number of units of negative charge of all the ions, of all cations and anions must be 0. So to neutralize the charges on cation and anion, we apply Kristrans formula. Due to that, Al2 and SO4 group must be 3. So that means 2 Al3 plus ions can neutralize 3 sulfate ions, or in other words, 3 sulfate ions can neutralize 2 Al3 plus ions. Therefore, the formula is Al2SO4 thrice. Similarly, you write down the formula like this. So what are the ions present in this? First, what are the ions present in it? 2 ions are there. What is it? It is a cation, COEN, taken 3 times. And we cannot decide the charge on the complex ion because we don't know oxidation state of cobalt. Because see, cobalt, what is the electronic configuration of cobalt? It is argon 4s2 3d7, right? Cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Zinc 30, copper 29, nickel 28, copper 29, nickel 28. This is 27. So cobalt can exhibit +2 oxidation state because of presence of 2 electrons present in the outermost orbit. 3d7. See, if you see the arrangement of electrons in the d subshell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, write down the electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, in 3d7 configuration, 3 unpaired electrons are present in it. So, by utilizing 2 electrons from the outermost orbit can exhibit +2, and along with 1 unpaired electron in d subshell can exhibit +3, can exhibit +4, can exhibit +5. So can exhibit all the oxidation states from +2 to +5. So therefore, we cannot decide the oxidation state of cobalt, or we cannot decide the charge on the cation. Now see, 3 SO4 groups are there. Each SO4 group carry -2. So therefore, 3 into -2, -6. So therefore, here it must be +3. And ethylene diamine, cobalt X oxidation state, ethylene diamine neutral ligand 0 and is equal to +3. Is equal to +3 means what? Oxidation state of cobalt is Roman number 3, that is 3. Now write down the IUPAC name of this compound. Now, even though name of the name of Al2SO4 thrice is, it is aluminum sulfate only. We do not read it as dialuminium trisulfate, right? It is wrong. So we have to follow the same rule in case of coordination compound. Now see, tris, you can write capital letter T, T or IS, tris. Now 1,2 diamino ethane. Okay, now write down the metal cobalt What is the oxidation state of cobalt? 3 plus, therefore Roman number 3 and sulfate. This is the name of the anion. So this is IUPAC name of the complex.